everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Katie and I'm the Organic Esthetician. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 70 Wellness's newest microcurrent attachment, their Kansa Gua Sha. We'll cover what Kansa is, its skin benefits, along with the benefits of using Gua Sha and enhancing it with microcurrent. And then I'll show you a demo of how to use the Kansa Gua Sha microcurrent attachment to sculpt and lift the face during a facial. While I think this video will be interesting for anyone who wants to tune in and watch, the demo is geared towards estheticians. This year, I've teamed up with Trina Albus from Beauty Beyond 40 to create educational videos talking about 7E Wellness's microcurrent devices. We've already done one together this year where she came in, received a facial from me. We filmed it. I'll put a link to that video down below in case you're interested. Trina's making her own 7E Wellness Kansa Gua Sha microcurrent tutorial, and she'll be demonstrating how to use this tool on yourself. Once that video is live, I'll put a link to her video down below as well. For anyone new here, I've been a licensed esthetician since 2010, and I focus on anti-aging modalities and clean beauty. I make a lot of device tutorials and I share gizmos and gadgets that I use both in my treatment room and at home. If you have an at-home beauty device that you're not sure how to use, or if you're thinking about adding one into your skincare routine, make sure you check out my videos because chances are I have a tutorial on whatever it is you're looking for. And thank you in advance for subscribing to the channel. Gua Sha is a traditional Chinese therapy that's used to stimulate blood flow and microcirculation in the skin to enhance skin health. So Kansa is the material that this Gua Sha tool is made out of. Kansa is the Sanskrit word for bronze. Bronze is an alloy traditionally containing about 78% copper, which is a fairly soft, malleable metal. They then add zinc or tin to strengthen it. So this tool is made out of copper and a little bit of tin, which gives it its strength. Kansa is also referred to as bell metal because traditionally it was used for gongs, bells, and singing bowls. Throughout antiquity, bronze and copper have been used as wound healers and to reduce infection. Kansa wands are traditional Ayurvedic tools that utilize this healing metal. They are used on the skin in a similar way to a Gua Sha to increase lymphatic drainage and detoxify the skin while infusing the skin with the benefits of Kansa. So copper in Kansa has a thermal conductivity, which means that when you start using your tool on the skin, it'll be cool. But as you work with it, it's going to heat up. And this will help heat up the skin and allow for enhanced product penetration. Copper and Kansa are also alkalizing metals, which when used on the skin help to balance its pH in addition to its antimicrobial and detoxifying properties. So this tool is going to be threefold. You get the benefits of the Kansa metal, you get the benefits of the movement of the Gua Sha on the skin to either detoxify and drain, to release tension and stretch the fascia, or to sculpt and lift the facial muscles. We're then enhancing those activities with the addition of the current. So not only are you going to get all of those benefits, but you'll also be increasing the skin's cellular energy or adenosine triphosphate, which helps to improve the overall health of the skin. So this is a really amazing treatment. Not to mention it's incredibly relaxing to receive. Well, there are other Kansa Gua Shas out there, and there are even other microcurrent Gua Shas out there on the internet. These tools were specifically created for optimal conductivity with 7E Wellness's devices and can be used with any of their microcurrent devices, from the MyoLift QT Plus to the MyoLift MD. All you need are these adhesive electrodes, your lead wire, and a device. So I received a box of 2. It comes with a little user guide and then a pouch with your Gua Shas in it. Again, you can order single or double units, and then it comes with adhesive electrodes and a pair of gloves. The tool itself is conductive. It comes with a set of adhesive electrodes that you can use to place onto the skin and onto the tool, creating that complete circuit, which allows the current to flow into the tool and into the skin while you're using it. Alternatively, you could put on conductivity gloves and then place one gloved hand on the skin and hold the tool with the other hand, working it on the skin that way. Again, one hand on the skin, one hand on the tool as the tool glides on the skin, creates that complete circuit. So if you bought a set of 2 Kansa Gua Shas, another way that you can use these is in replace of your electrodes. You can place one adhesive electrode on each gua sha and then use them on the skin together. This is better for that pinch and hold, but you can try gliding towards it. I personally find that to be a little clunky and that it defeats the point of using these amazing tools. So my favorite way to use a conductive Kansa Gua Sha is very similarly to how I would perform gua sha on a client with a gemstone tool. I'm going to use as much of the tool on the surface of the skin as I can as I glide. This way you're really able to manipulate the skin, creating tension on it. And also it allows for more of this healing surface area to come in contact with the skin, infusing it with its benefits. I'm going to show you one of my favorite and easiest ways to use this tool, which is to lift and sculpt the face. This is something you can do at home, but I'm going to be showing you how I use the tool on one of my clients in a facial I performed earlier today. So you need to apply some sort of solution to the skin. Conductivity gel, a conductive serum, a conductive face mask, anything that's going to allow the current to flow readily into the skin while also giving slip to your tool as you glide it on the skin surface. Traditionally, gua sha is performed over facial oil. However, oils inhibit the flow of the current. So you're not going to use a facial oil with this gua sha. Instead, you're going to use some sort of conductivity gel or conductive solution. You're going to place one electrode onto the front of your gua sha, and you'll place the other electrode onto your client's forehead, making sure that there is conductivity gel underneath where you're placing the electrode. This will help prevent any hot spots or increased circulation underneath that adhesive electrode. So I would recommend before placing your adhesive electrode onto your gua sha that you hold it in your hand and imagine working on your client's skin. Imagine how you're going to glide the tool, what sides you'll be using. I like to use this long edge to sculpt the face and this curvy bottom for smaller areas as I'm gliding out. Now, when you perform gua sha, you're not going to use the edge of your tool. You're going to try and lie the tool flat, so as much surface area of the tool is touching the skin as possible. So like a 45-degree angle is ideal. Also, you don't need to apply a lot of pressure as you're gliding the tool on the skin. I would say for sculpting, it's about medium pressure. I'll be showing you way more demos of how to use these tools for lymphatic drainage, for tension release in future videos or over on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram already, make sure that you do. I'll put a link to it down below because I post lots of short form videos showing how to use all of these amazing devices and tools on yourself and also on your clients for any estheticians that are tuning in. 7E Wellness is doing some really amazing promotions for Mother's Day. They have a few bundles that package together these new Kansa Gua Shas with their microcurrent devices. So I'll put some links to 7E Wellness's Mother's Day promotions down below. And I'll also put my code down there. Code Organic Esthetician gives you 5% off your 7E Wellness purchase. Unfortunately, it can't be layered over additional sales. So if you're interested in purchasing one of these Kansa Gua Sha attachments, make sure you use my link down below. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave those in the comments down below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. All right, I will see you all very soon. And I'm pretty sure next week we'll be talking all about PEMF. So if you're interested, make sure you stay tuned. Bye.